Hey everyone. Some of you said that you were having trouble logging into your, or whenever you log into your course, you're not getting the lab kit order form. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You normally should receive a pop-up for this, but it may or may not be working because we did have this problem last semester too. Sometimes it just takes a while to pop up, but I'm going to show you the workaround. So I'm logging in as me, and if you look on, oh, wrong one. I'm going to go ahead and just log myself in as a student. Log out. Yeah, okay. So, sorry about this. So now I'm logged in as a student, and if you look over here, there's a link that says lab kit order form. So you just click on that order form. Now, it shouldn't give you this because this is just me because I'm a teacher. So it's telling me I'm not a student, but you will be a student, and it will take you to a form, and you can enter your postal address so that the lab kit can come to you. If you have any issues with this, just let me know, and then you can also contact the help desk. So that link is right here. So you can contact them as well if you're having trouble. But hopefully it'll start working again, and you won't have to kind of do this workaround. But that's the workaround. It's just that whenever you get into your course, you just go over to the external links and click on this, and it'll take you to the form. So let me know if you have any other questions or you're not able to do that.